So this whole part is the brainstem. This is the caudate nucleus and the lentiform nucleus. The cerebellum is this. The cerebellar hemispheres. The green is the left, the orange-brown is the right. The cerebellar peduncles starts here, and you could see them better. Where was it? You could see them better right here. The cortex is the gray matter. The arbor vitae is 61, which is this white. Also, right here. The cerebral aqueduct is 57. Right here, goes like that. The cerebral hemispheres, left and right. The cerebral peduncles again is right here, and you can see them better here. The choroid plexuses can't really be seen on this model, but she said it was by the thalamus. So basically it would have been here if there was anything. And then the cingulated gyrus, 37. I'm losing my spot. Okay, the cingulated gyrus, 37 right here. Then the corona radiate is this white part. It separates the caudate nucleus and the lentiform nucleus. The corpora quadgemina, this is the superior colliculi and the inferior colliculi. The corpus callosum, right here, number 41. The cranial nerves, olfactory nerve. The olfactory nerve is right here. And then the olfactory bulb. And this is the medial olfactory tract and lateral olfactory tract. The optic nerve is right here, 112. The optic tract, right here. And then where they cross, right here, 53, is optic chiasm. Then the oculomotor nerve is right here, shaped like an O. And then the trochlear nerve, 116, trigeminal nerve, abducens nerve, facial nerve, the vestibular cochlear nerve, then the glossopharyngeal nerve, the vagus nerve, the spinal accessory nerve, the 124, always that one is the hypoglossal nerve. And then the diencephalon is the epithalamus, thalamus, and the hypothalamus, so it's pretty much this area. The epithalamus, again, I think it's like the above, and then the hypo is below the thalamus. And then the fissures is, this one is the longitudinal fissure, and this one that separates the occipital lobe and the cerebellum is a transverse fissure. The fornix is number 45, the structure right here. And then the genucleate bodies. This one is the medial genucleate body and the lateral genucleate body. The gyri, the precentral gyrus is number 10 right here. The postcentral gyrus is number 11. The hippocampus is right here. It's your learning and memory. The hypothalamus is below the thalamus, somewhere over here. Oh, we forgot to ask about that one. That's okay, we'll go back. The frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and the temporal lobe, the medulla oblongata, is right here. The pyramids is number 126. And then when they start to cross is 127, the decussation of pyramids. The olive is right here. And then the midbrain. Don't remember what she said. Pineal gland. And then pineal gland is this. The pituitary gland is this. The pons is this structure. The septum pellucidum is number 44. The sulci, so the central sulcus is right here, right down the middle. Then the lateral cerebral sulcus is right here. And the parieto-occipital sulcus is right here. And then the thalamus is number 49 here. It's kind of like this big bowl. And then the intermediate mass of the thalamus is right here. And then the lateral ventricles, there's two. This one is lateral ventricle, which is the anterior horn. And then another lateral ventricle, which is the posterior horn. And then the third ventricle is by the thalamus, 113. And then the fourth ventricle is number 59.